So notice this sideways that we're seeing right now. So usually during this time, price action is not actually dead. It's not actually price action right now is being engineered for institutions to get in the market. So one of the ways they do to get in the market is to engineer liquidity by allowing these kinds of sideways to take place. And of course, where the highs and lows are obvious, then if you're gonna observe it after a few candles, price just took out the low, then afterwards went to the upside. So if you're gonna add this, actually how the smart money plays in the market, they allow sideways, they allow highs and lows to get created, obviously. Then afterwards, they're gonna take out those lows or highs if you're gonna go for shorts. Then afterwards, price just will go into the real direction of the market. So if you've been watching how the price action, I suggest mark those highs and lows first before you get in the market.